My first homemade IMO'S pizza. This is my first ever pizza dough from scratch I made with the help of my mama. That lip around the outside there. I wasn't playing around with this bad boy. I'm gonna hit it with some, bam, signature IMO'S sauce, and bam, signature IMO'S cheese with that provel. I'll let y'all know how it turns out here in about 15 minutes. About to slap this bad boy in the oven. Time to add this IMO'S sauce boss. Big hoss the sauce boss. My first ever homemade pizza from scratch. I wanted to make an IMO'S pie. That's my favorite pizza. I'm sure most of y'all can agree. It's one fine pie. Alright. This baby cheesed up. I'm gonna slap that bad dog in the oven. We'll be eating St. Louis pizza in no time. Time to hit it with this IMO'S cheese. I gotta even it out a little bit, but you get the gist. Alright, time to put it in the oven. And we'll get back with y'all once I get this bad boy out. Alright. She's out of the oven. She's done. There's an IMO'S pie, homemade from scratch. You could have used a tad bit more cheese, but you live, you learn. The next one will have a little more cheese. And now it's time to dig in. Until next time, y'all take care.
That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.